guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Leslie and I like to post lifestyle, budgeting, and motherhood type of content here on the Mother Plan. So y'all, I got a very special cash stuffing today. I'm super excited. We got our tax refund, and when I tell y'all this is probably the fastest I've ever received a tax refund. I did our taxes and literally we got the refund in the account, I want to say 5 to 6 days. It was crazy. So I wasn't expecting to get this money until May, but it is the end of April, and since I have it, I'm going to go ahead and stuff this money. So this is not all of it. What I did was I took a portion of the tax refund and automatically put that into our savings account. And I also set aside about $1,400. I'm going to be adding that to my debt snowball for the month of April. You guys will see that in our debt payoff update. And I'm also going to take about $1,500. I'm going to take $500, apply it to April's bills, and then I'm going to take $500 and apply that to May's bills, and then another $500 to June's bills, if that makes sense. So I just took $1,500 as a buffer to kind of get us through the next few months, just to kind of take a little bit of the stress off you guys. So, you know, sometimes the income is not where you want it to be each month. So I'm just going to set that money aside, not put it into our savings, but just have it as a buffer for our bills for the next 2 months, since we're pretty much done with April. So I use it for April's bills. I'm going to do the same thing for May and June. So you won't see those numbers included into this. But for our cash stuffing, I am going to be stuffing $4,900. So that's what I have right here. I just went ahead and did, like, you know, bigger bills. I didn't worry about any 10s, 5s, and 1s. So I just have 100s, 50s, and 20s here. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get set up and we'll get started.
I keep it in my head, I keep it locked away. My friends think that this is over. Guess it's the price I paid. Played with the enemy. Now I got you on my shoulders. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love.
Alright guys, I am back. So as you can see, I ran out of space. It was like super thick with the 20s. So I'm just using 3 cubbies for that. Same thing, I just split up the old $100 bills. Y'all, these look so fake to me. I was like, really? You gotta give me the old hundreds? So I got 5 of those. I'm going to put these in the categories that I know we're going to be spending the most, because I'm going to try to get rid of those. So I have 2 slots for the $100 bills and just 1 for 50s. So let's go ahead and get started with our everyday cash envelopes. So I have my wallet right here. Y'all know I love this wallet. So first one is going to be, well, actually groceries. We're not going to do anything. I just did that from our paycheck. We still have $100 left for next week. And then this one is my spending. So you guys, I decided to do, here, let's take this out. I decided to do $600. So last year, I started my debt-free journey right in the very beginning of March 1st. It was perfect timing because we got our tax refund. So I set aside $500 for us each to use out throughout the year. And of course, I do give us some spending money from each paycheck, but you'll see, y'all know I give us like $15, $20, because I really want to focus that money on the bills and the household. So what I'm doing is every time we get our tax refund or a big lump sum of money, then I'll go ahead and take that and give us a little bit to kind of hold us over until the next big check, if that makes sense. So for this year, it is now April. I'm going to give us $600 to use however we want. It's going to go into our personal accounts, and yeah, that'll be it until we do either tax return the next year, or if there's some type of large amount of money that we get from a bonus or whatever it may be. Okay, so I'm going to give myself $600. I'm going to do all 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600. All right, I'm gonna count that one more time just because that is a lot, so I'm gonna make sure it's correct. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86. All right, there is $600 for myself. Yay. And I did have a little bit of money left over from our paycheck breakdown, so that is $13. So that's $613 in my envelope. Yay. Look at that. That's a thick one, y'all. I'm gonna have to deposit that money into my personal checking account, but yay. All right, so for my husband, same thing. He is going to get $600. Now for him, I don't have an envelope, so I'm just gonna take it and put it to the side. I'm gonna give him $200 in 50s, and then we'll do the rest in 20s. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84. I was close, y'all. I was off by one. All right, we're gonna recount that. This should be $600 for him. 50, 100, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600. All right, so I'm gonna put his to the side. Okay, next up, I am going to put money in. I think we're gonna do a little bit in family fun. So I'm gonna put $200 in here. And I'm gonna do 2 50s, and we'll do rest in 20s. 20, 40, 60, 81. So this should be $200, 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So now we have, add that all together. 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. $264 in our family fun envelope. All right, next is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is also going to get 200. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to do all 20s. All right, so we have, bring that down. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Ooh, that's it, 200. I was about to give us a little bit more there. Hold on. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. Okay, that is 200. Now in miscellaneous, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. $248. All right, that one's done. And that's it for this one, because this one is my gas envelope and we still have quite a bit in there, so I'm not gonna stuff anything in this one. So that's it for the everyday cash envelopes, and I'm gonna move over to our sinking funds. So I'm gonna put this back in my wallet. While we do that, you guys, I wanna say thank you to everyone because we just hit 3,000 subscribers today. I am super excited. I was waiting for that 3K. When I log in, it was so exciting seeing that. So now we're gonna reach for 4K, right? So 4K is now loading, and thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. All right, so the rest of this money is going to go into our sinking funds. So I have my binder right here, and I'm not going to put, you know, money in every single category. I am just doing what I call our high priority envelopes. So for me, I have low priority and I have high priority in my sinking funds. So my two major high priority envelopes in my binder is my home maintenance and my car maintenance. Now, I am going to put a little bit of money in vacation as well, but the rest of these I'm not going to worry about, just because I feel like we are good. If anything happens in these categories, they are minor. But let's say if something breaks down in the house or our car, that stuff costs a lot of money. So those are the ones I wanted to focus on. So for our home maintenance envelope, I'm actually going to put $500 in there. So I'm just going to grab, I should have put these. Didn't I say I was going to put the old hundreds in the stuff that I use, you know, like frequently? But that's okay. I'm going to put that one in the car. So let's do 1, 2, 3. And then we'll do the rest in 50s. That's 4, 5. So this should be $500, 50, 100, 50, 200, 300, 400, 500. So I have $500 that I'm going to put in home maintenance. All right, and then now we have $100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 900, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, $937. Ooh, y'all, we were really close to a 1K slip. But we probably won't hit it because I already know I have to spend some money out of here in the next upcoming weeks. But that's okay, maybe next time. Car maintenance is next. So this is gonna get the bulk of this money, y'all, just because I have something on my truck that needs to be fixed all of a sudden. It's just a mess. So I'm going to put $1,200 into this envelope. So let's just go and get rid of the old 100s, right? Okay, and let's see, I want to put a few, probably do some 50s. Let's see how much this is so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200. Okay, so that should be it. We will leave that. All right, so now let's see how much we have in car maintenance. So we have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 2,000. So we do need a 1K slip. I will do that when we do our next cash unstuffing. So that's 2,000 right there. 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 78, 79. 379, so $2,379. All right, so that is done there. Very good. Okay, so those were my two high priority envelopes. So one of my fun envelopes is going to be vacation, because y'all know we got a vacation coming up, right? So I'm actually going to be adding $600 into this envelope. All right, so for this one, I'm going to use, I'm gonna use one $100 bill and 4 50s. So 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, and then we'll do the rest in 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. Okay, so I'm going to count this again to make sure this is $600. 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. Now we have 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 250, 300, 350, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 800, right? Gotta count that one more time, you guys. 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 8. Okay. $2,800. All right, so that one is done. We're not gonna touch our saving challenge. That's our debt snowball challenge. So the last bit of this money, this should be $1,000, I believe. Let me double check. But this should be the money that I set aside for bills. So I've already did $500 for the month of April. And then I'm going to do $500 for the month of May, and then $500 for the month of June. I just wanted to go ahead and pull that out of the account so I wouldn't think we had extra money. So I'm going to just keep it in this little envelope here, and that'll also help me for future, you know, like cash stuffings. So I'll have a little bit of extra money on hand. So this is 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 200. Y'all, these 50s always throw me off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 800, 20. Okay, how many times does it take for me to count this money right, y'all? Okay, get it together, Leslie. Get it together. All right, y'all. One more time. This should be $1,000. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Okay, that should be 600. 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000. Okay, so we are good. And like I said, I'm going to use this money to help be like a buffer, so I can leave the money in our account when we get our checks, and then just have this money to add to our cash stuffings. So if I need to break change, I can pull from envelopes, that kind of thing. So it'll be here. I'm not gonna dip into it or use it until we do our paycheck breakdowns. All right, so that is that. And just like that, we are pretty thick, y'all. Pretty thick. I don't know if I can close it. Uh-oh. Let's see. Barely. We are barely there. And y'all know how it go when I gotta sit it up like that. It's time for a cash. Ooh, look at that. I didn't even hold it. It's time for another cash unstuffing. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, we'll see what the next paycheck is looking like, because if I have to stuff quite a bit in here, then I'm gonna definitely need to condense some bills. And I actually put tons of 50s and 100s, and I only counted one 1K slip, so that's a bummer. We'll see. We'll see, because I will be using some of that money that I put aside for bills when we get paid next time, so it might be all right. Okay, so that's it, you guys, for this particular cash stuffing video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me. Leave me a comment down below, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you'll be updated every time I post a new video. And that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.